Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you already have, your 12-digit Aadhaar or the 28-digit enrollment ID. Once done, open the official Aadhaar portal or the Aadhaar app. Make sure you use a secure connection. Enter the number carefully so you avoid typos, then choose the Send OTP option. You need the registered mobile nearby to receive the OTP immediately. If you don't get it, wait a minute and request again. Network delays are common. After OTP authentication, navigate to Aadhaar services and pick the option that shows linked mobile or demographic details. Different portals label it slightly differently. The system will display a masked mobile number. This confirms which phone number is tied to the Aadhaar. Make a note of the last 2 digits shown, then log out for security. If you need the full number, you must visit an Aadhaar center with ID proof, or use biometric authentication, as the portal won't reveal the full number for privacy reasons. To finalize, if the masked number is enough, record it and sign out. Otherwise, plan an in-person update at an Aadhaar enrollment center. Bring valid ID and the device with your current SIM for biometric or OTP verification so officials can update or confirm the linked mobile. If OTP keeps failing, switch networks or use another phone. Persistent issues mean the center can verify your identity. Keep receipts and acknowledgement numbers from the center until changes reflect online.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.